Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. Today I've got a guitar lesson. It's a Lobo guitar lesson, and it's based off of the song I'd Love You to Want Me. And that's coming up. Today in this Lobo guitar lesson, I'm going to show you the chords in the song, the chord progression, and stick around because I'll show you the rhythm pattern too. By the way, if you'd like to get the tab for this, check the first link in the description for that. So let's get to it. First off, we're going to need a capo on the 3rd fret. And the chords are, we've got a G, then we've got a A minor, C, and D. Basically in this song there's 2 different chord progressions you got to worry about. And the first one is G, A minor, C, D, back to G. And the second one is at the chorus. G on the chorus, A minor, C, G, G, A minor, C, D, back to G. The strumming pattern is this right here. Beginning, it's a slow tempo and it goes like this. All dance drums. Starts on G and goes to A minor. C, D, back to G. Like this kind of guitar lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? Click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks.